Are you an ebook author struggling to create eye-catching ebook covers? We know the struggle. The battle of converting your creative vision into a digital rendering that does justice to your written masterpiece. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a magnetic first impression. In the vast ocean of digital literature, your ebook cover is the lighthouse that guides readers to your shores. Let's face it, a captivating cover can be the difference between a reader's curiosity piqued or their interest dwindling. It's about creating intrigue, a sense of mystery or excitement that compels the reader to dive into your world. But what if the design process is holding you back? What if your two-dimensional ideas aren't capturing the depth of your narrative? What if there was a solution that could effortlessly transform your 2D cover into a 3D masterpiece? Meet our groundbreaking product that is revolutionizing the ebook market. This isn't just another tool, it's a game changer, a catalyst for creativity. Our product is designed with a user-friendly interface that allows even the most technologically challenged to create high-quality 3D covers with ease. But it doesn't stop there. Our product offers a variety of design options, giving you the freedom to create a cover that truly reflects your ebook's content and your unique style. The quick processing time means you won't be waiting around. In just 5 minutes, you'll have a professional-grade 3D cover ready for display. Quality is our top priority. Unlike other similar products in the market, our output is always high quality, ensuring your ebooks stand out from the crowd. So, what makes us unique? We provide effectiveness, efficiency, and quality, all rolled into one. Imagine having the power to create a stunning 3D cover at your fingertips anytime, anywhere. But how does a 3D cover translate to more sales, you might ask? Well, the answer lies in the power of first impressions. In a world where books are often judged by their covers, a professionally designed, three-dimensional cover can significantly increase your book's visibility. It creates an appealing look that stands out in the crowded digital shelves, drawing in potential readers. Numerous authors have seen a dramatic increase in their sales after switching to 3D covers. Some have reported a rise of up to 75%. These are not just numbers. They are real stories from authors who have experienced the transformative power of a high-quality 3D cover. Moreover, studies have shown that a well-designed cover can increase perceived value, meaning readers are often willing to pay more for books with attractive covers. With our product, not only do you get an eye-catching cover, but also a proven strategy to boost your sales. Think about the potential returns on your small investment. You might be wondering, how much will this game-changing product cost? Well, let me tell you, it's far less than the value it's going to add to your ebook business. With a price that's a mere fraction of the profits you stand to make, this product is an investment in your success. Just imagine, with the high-quality 3D covers this product produces, your ebooks could stand out in the crowd, attracting more readers and ultimately more sales. The power to transform your ebook sales is right at your fingertips. And here's the big payoff. Each sale could bring in up to $500. That's right, $500 per sale. So, let's put it into perspective. A small investment today could lead to substantial returns tomorrow. Your one-time investment could translate into recurring profits. Ready to transform your ebook cover and skyrocket your sales? Imagine the power of a high-quality, three-dimensional cover for your ebook. The visual appeal that sets your work apart in a sea of digital content. With our product, this transformation is not only possible, but it's also incredibly easy. Our product is the top-tier tool for creating breathtaking 3D ebook covers. It's user-friendly and efficient, turning your vision into a tangible, eye-catching reality in just 5 minutes. You don't have to be a graphic design pro to use it. You just need a vision, and our tool will do the rest. Not only does our product offer quality, but it also opens a door to potential financial gain. Imagine making $500 per sale just by enhancing your ebook's aesthetic appeal. Don't wait. Click on the link, purchase our product, and watch as your ebook takes the market by storm.